place.
This is the other gateway.
So you're in the city.
If you go over there, you're in the city. There isn't a lot to see, but
These walls were very high.
don't know. Don't know. I have never been told that by anybody that it's anything of great.
Gonna enter into the city of Dan. On pavers that are almost 3,000 years old. And look, we're in Dan.
City of Dan, like you said, there's not much to see.
Dan.
So,
Cool.
You don't have to. I want to cross in front of you.
Another altar.